I was sent this humidifier and it's really nice and so simple to use. I love the simplicity of it. So let's go ahead and fill this with water and see it in action. I have this on in my daughter's bedroom and it starts instantly. I was really pleasantly surprised how fast that is coming out. So right now we just have it on max. So you can kind of decide to turn it off. There it goes, turn it on. And that's the full strength on it. And then there's that little indicator light right there. It's also got a nice sleek black design to it. Just plugs right into the wall. It has a little decorative cap here that comes off. Then you can see on the inside right there, it's super simple to lift it up. That's what the inside looks like. And then here is where you're gonna add your water in. So this just opens here. It's got a nice wide opening there to add all the water. Then you just simply put that back on. It could not be simpler to put that back together. Plus it has, this is really cool, there's a little thing right here. You can feel that. You're just gonna pinch it and that will pull out, and you can put any drops of essential oils you might want, maybe some lavender or some eucalyptus, and pop that back in. So it has that as well. If you want cool mist for dry conditions in your home, this is great.